Raise your hand if you think video content will make a difference to your business. And raise your hand if you want to take your social media presence to the next level. Well, you're in luck because today we'll be discussing the 5 strategies you can implement to help you level up your game and slay it with these 5 strategies. Hi, I'm Melon and I'm one of the co-founders here at the Melon Studio. And me and my team are visual storytellers, and we can help you create visual solutions that can help your business and your brand. It doesn't matter if you're a business owner, if you're a content creator, or even if you are the marketing manager of a big company, we can give you these tips and ideas to level up your game when it comes to video marketing. With so much competition out there, years before, the game is about whoever has the money can advertise. But now with free advertising, social media, well, maybe it's still about how much money you have because you can put ads, but it's free advertisement. You just post stunning video or give value and churn out content. You can stand out in the crowd and you can level up your game from here to here with just video marketing. Today, we'll be discussing about the different strategies like short and snappy videos to influencer marketing to storytelling. These are like samples of the strategies we'll be discussing today, and with examples that help you visualize and help you level up your marketing. So let's get it on. So our first strategy is short and sweet. Short and sweet is the name of the game. So nowadays, with the rise of TikTok, well, it's been a few years already, and Instagram jumping into the game, and YouTube also with YouTube Shorts. It's a competition now of punching in as much information, as much value, as much virality in a 60-second or less video. Statistics said our underwater fish friend, the goldfish, has longer attention span than people, but it just means that people's attention has gone shorter, and you should have a good hook to catch their attention, a good visuals, stunning visuals to grab their attention. Otherwise, it's not anymore a competition of how much, because you can now even create a good video with just using your phone. Here is an example of Fenty Beauty and how much content they have churned out, how much short form content they have churned out to capture your attention. Our second strategy is optimizing your video for social media platforms. So nowadays, if you want to compete in the short form arena, then you should make sure that your video is optimized for those platforms, like that you have the right aspect ratio for each platform. Like Instagram has 9:16 ratio, while TikTok is a little bit different. It has that ratio below, but adjusting the aspect ratio of your video, you will be maximizing the real estate screen of your phone or wherever they're viewing it. Good example of viral reels that have been very popular on TikTok is Chipotle. They have used really nice, engaging reels that involve their clients, their customers. And I also love the reels done by Duolingo because they're full of humor. They have collaborated and have done reels together, which is very fun and really engaging. It has captured the attention of the viewers on TikTok, Instagram Reels. The third strategy is UGC, or user-generated content. This is a very effective way leveling up your video marketing because you're using your followers' creativity and enthusiasm. Why are they effective? Because number one, it can generate buzz. It can build engagement and brand loyalty. One of the good examples of this is Starbucks. They have leveraged UGC, or user-generated content, by highlighting or using the reels created by their followers, by their customers, and posting it on their platforms. They were able to showcase their products that feel authentic and relatable. And UGC content, when you share those UGC content by your followers or your customers, you're creating as well a community. They are now more engaged with the brand, and of course, the viewers of these products, they will feel the authenticity of the video. Because like viewers, they're likely more to trust real customers and real experiences versus when they know it's made up, or those are actors that are acting. So that's why UGC is getting very popular and is getting more engagement. Our fourth strategy is influencer videos. Influencer marketing has become a very powerful tool for brands, especially influencers with a large audience but engaged audience. It's very important for brands and businesses to choose the right influencer for their brand before creating that video, because of course you should choose the right influencer that you share the same target market, that share the same brand values and the same aesthetic. This is a tip for brands and businesses out there to avoid influencer that doesn't have real engagement. They have many followers, but the engagement is not really organic, and even if they have a lot of engagement and a lot of followers, but they don't share the same aesthetic and they don't share the same values, it's not going to be effective. A good example for influencer video marketing has done it really well is Sephora. So they have used a lot of influencers, and it has been very effective when the influencer starts using their products and shows on the video. And the makeup tutorials have gone really viral, and it has brought a lot of business for Sephora as well. So if you want your video to look authentic and natural, it's very important that you have the right influencer. First, choose the right influencer and then create the videos with them, and make sure that your video will benefit both of you. And the fifth strategy, and my favorite strategy, is storytelling. It's very important for you to have storytelling in your video. Add humor, add relatable stories, and appeal to the emotions of your viewers with storytelling. One of my favorite videos that had storytelling is Emirates. Emirates has been very, very good when it comes to video storytelling in their ads. One of my favorite campaign they had is Hello Tomorrow, when they showed this, like, stories have been passed to different countries, and they showed the experiences of different countries. So it's a story of sharing the passion for travel. So it's a very good storytelling they did on this video. Effective storytelling on video can really be a great asset and can be really powerful when you want to engage your viewer, when you want to engage your audience, for them to either just want them to be aware of your product, or for them to know your product and know what your brand values are, or if you want to sell to them or generate leads. It's very important that you implement the right storytelling. So in conclusion, we know video marketing is a must if you want to really up-level your business or your social media presence. And if you want to engage your audience, video is really a powerful and effective way to do that. You just have to do it right. Avoid selling too much. Don't talk about yourself too much. Make sure that the audience will relate to your brand, to your business. They will be engaged with using these 5 strategies. So whether it is using the strategy of short-form videos or leveraging user-generated content and influencers, using the right aspect ratio, and of course, storytelling, make sure that the visuals that combine with these strategies can be really effective and can really turn your marketing game from 0 to hero. Remember, video marketing and social media is about engaging the audience and building that connection. So if you ever need help and if you ever have questions, please feel free to drop us a message. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and we would love to hear your feedback. See you at the next one.